Today, I will popularize with the pump friends several common reasons for S-pipe cutting. First, the waiting time for the pump truck to finish feeding concrete is too long. Did not clean up in time. Second, the washing pump did not adequately wash the remaining concrete with edges and corners. Third, the gap between the cutting ring and the glasses plate is too large. Need to adjust. Fourth, the wear of the rubber spring causes the cutting ring to run edge. As a result, the S-tube is not well sealed. Waiting a little longer will precipitate and reduce the amount. If none of the above methods work, there is one last way left. That is to hit with a hammer.